Hi friends, welcome to Stay Focused channel, and today we are going to discuss on how to create and add the thumbnail using an application, and we should be obviously free of cost. And for that, I'm using Canva application, and the URL you can see www.canva.com. You can use your Facebook cover page. You can use a resume using the same applications. So here it is, and let's log in and check what exactly it is. So there is two options. You can log in using Facebook, and you can log in using Google. So let's log in using Google. So I've already logged in the application before, and I'm using the same for most of my the images which I use in my daily life. So here you can see the options like create a design. Like there are a lot of options you can create. So let's click and check uh, how many options, like what options it's available in this applications. So here all the options you can it's kind of a recommendation for you. This is for social media, this is for documentation. If you're a blogger, this is for you. And you are like in marketing, you can use this social media. Yes, we all, most of the people use social media world, uh, events and for this ad. All these options are there. So I can select one options and create my thumbnail. So let's select one options here. And as already said here, this is the image. Like inside this, there are a lot of options which will be used for the Facebook. This is for Twitter. This is Google headers, Facebook cover page, as already mentioned, LinkedIn, Twitter banner, and stuff like that. A lot of options. So let's select this options and check what exactly or how many options inside this. So here you can see like a lot of options are there, and it's all free. You can see it's all free. But yes, there are a couple of icons or images which are paid. They are charging like $1 to $2. It depends on you if you can take the paid one, or you can take uh, the free versions. So let's take the free versions, and normally I take the icons which looks little neat, and I don't want a lot of zazzy stuff. So select this options. It's pretty neat and clean, and this is icon, and you can let's you can see this, and you can now we are going to update or add our stuffs over there. So you can select here, and you can see you can select all this stuff. You can select the square boxes, you can select the text, you can change the color. Let's change the color. If this is a pink, if you don't want this color, so there is options. You can see the background, you can change the background color. So uh, you can select from here. Let's see here how it's changing. So whatever options you want, you can select. Let's take blue then. So here I'm putting the channel name, mm, my like stay focused, and this is you can change the size. Let's change the size. So I'm changing the size to 14. It's changing it. Change the font. Uh, Most of the time I change the font, and I like this Julius Sans one. So let's take this, yes, and this one also, the topic, add thumbnail, and change this as well. And if you want to change this color of this font, you can click here, select. If you want white, then select white. And if you want this color, you go here, select to black. Let's see, the background is changed to black. So this is pretty neat and clean, I believe. Stay focused and add thumbnail. You can update also, add thumbnail to YouTube. So change the font a little bit smaller, and you can drag this as well. Change the position. Okay, let's drag here. I'll just change it. Or there is one more option. So you want to undo it, you can just do Control Z. It'll just update it. Cool, right? Okay, so I'm not doing anything extra because it's taking time. So that's what you, whatever you want, you can do it. Now the time is to download. It's the same here. There is option to download. Select download. There's a couple of options. You want to download using PDF print, uh, or PDF standard, PNG, and JPG. So a couple of images they are recommending PNG or couple of PDF or JPG. So let's take JPG to download, and let's download. Click the button download. Here it's downloading, and it's a good thing. I like they are saying like what the legends had said in their life. So here it is. It has downloaded. So go to the folder, download. You can see this image. Boom. Stay focused. Add thumbnail. Two. Oops. So we can change. Let's change this. So go here. Close this. Change it. Control Z. Change it. Let's change the color. Let's keep yellow. This is, I'll make it as a black. So let's make this is black. Sorry, uh, black. Yes. Then download. Boom, it has downloaded. One more. Okay, one more thing I need to tell you that you can add one more slide. You want to create one more image or icon or stuff like that, just click it. It'll create one more. You can update and download. It'll download as a zip file. Yes, it's not, it'll not download as a one image because a couple of, it'll download as a zip image. So now delete it. Stay focused. Add thumbnail. Correct now. Yes, correct. Go to jpg, download. It houses, it's downloading, and let's download. Yes, here it is. Now this is to the latest one. Stay focused. Add thumbnail. Thank God this time I have, there is no typo mistake. So this is my YouTube video, and I'm a techie. So because I have created you can see that I have created a video here, right? And create file using file saver.js. So most of the time I record videos on the coding, how to code, and the subject like JavaScript, jQuery, .NET. So if you're a coder, if you like programming, if you're a techie, please watch my videos, like and subscribe. So this is the custom, and come to the topic. So this is a non-technical, so now I'll not speak on technical. So select custom, and go to downloads. There is options Hall 2. This is the latest one. Selected, then save. It has saved. So there is a black. If you want to remove, you can just refresh it first. So it'll display here. Here it is. So this is the page. You can able to see. So in that way you can create your thumbnail, you can create images, you can create your Facebook cover page, and all this stuff. So that's all for this video. Yes, one more thing. In every video, I'm giving some kind of information or a line or sentence which will make you feel good, because this channel is stay focused. So there is a saying: this world changes with the smallest of ideas. So be crazy and stay focused in your life. That's all I have for this video. Please, please, please like my videos and subscribe so that you get all my latest videos. Thank you very much.